Hello everyone, today I will explain about making a client feel comfortable. The secret to a great cut is communication. Use the following tips to communication with your client. Number 1. Before the cut, listen to your client to find out exactly what he or she wants. Number 2. While you cut. Number 2. Will you cut? Give clear instruction, ask client to stand up and put on a gun to protect their clothes from stay here. Number 3. After the cut, let the client see the haircut. Ask questions to make sure the client is happy with the haircut. Remember, this is last chance to make sure that he or she is